Good day, everyone. My name is Oluranti Adeyinka, a Gather in Training Batch 2017-08-18, Subsection 8, under the mentorship of Egiri. I'm here to tell you what MMM is all about. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. Peer-to-peer system, no central account. It will not collect your money. Who are we? Over 200 million members worldwide, 118 countries, the largest donation exchange in the network in the whole world. In 1994, MMM held 1/4 of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin price are being driven up just because of MMM. We are a community that built on helping people become free. MMM ideology: creating a fair financial system where MMM will no more be an issue. Creating a platform where there will be no need to go bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works: MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is categorized into two: provide help and get help. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Thursday and Tuesday. This sum in Mavro show how much you can request yourself. Where does 30% come from? There is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donate money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This interest go at 30% a month. It is just technical terms. Programmers can just this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, stop, and cancelled. MMM's 30% earning cycle: provide help, then you be on queue while you get your help, that's withdrawal. Take out your profit, return back to the PHQ, or take all at that, and that's all. Benefits: what are the benefits in MMM? We are referring a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation, growth of Mavro per month. Registration bonus: after having registration and making the first donation, the participant will receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from $50 to $499. If the donation is from $500 to $299. If the donation more than $100, that will be $3,000. Referral program: referral bonus: you get 10% from all donation of the participants you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. Become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Does a manager can have his own leader who rank is high than him. Manager bonus varies depending on the levels in the structure. Becoming a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn managers bonus. Managers bonus: 5% from the level participant donation, 3% the second level, 1% the third level, 0.5%, the fourth level, 0.25%, the fifth level, 0.1%, the sixth level, 0.05%, the seventh level, 0.03%, the eighth level, 0.01%, the next level. Beware of the risk. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to the recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly work to improve the reliability of the merchandise of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we have proven the system's reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and benefit. Security pause mode, ph in naira net value, ph in naira net value. Community building and development. Only big and fast-growing community can succeed. We provide budget for advertising online, offline events, charity events, opening club. We provide budget to give you a chance to build a real big team of your downline. Frequently asked question about MMM. Is MMM not a scam? MMM is a successful network, more than 4 years in over 100 countries, and has more than 130 million participants around the world. You can find video confirming that by searching MMM page on YouTube. Is it legal? MMM is not a company, bank, IEP or MLM program. Is community, a social network of people providing financial aid directly to each other by transferring their own money. It connects millions of participants worldwide, those who need help and those who willing to provide help. Their own money from each, all taxes have already been paid. There is no law in any country that forbid people to share its money with others. Is it a Ponzi scheme? Unlike Ponzi scheme, MMM is clearly and openly explaining its operation process, goals and aim. Participants are the only source of financial aid provided to other participants. MMM work as a peer-to-peer software, helping to connect participants between each other. MMM does not give any guarantee or promise for you to get help from others. On the contrary, it warns about possibility of not getting any help when if you provide help. MMM is being completely open and honest with its participants. How can I be sure that I will not lose my money? The best way to make yourself sure is to register and provide your first help with a minimum amount allowed by the rules of MMM, which is $10 in order to check how MMM works as a proof that people are really getting help from MMM. You may find video by searching MMM page on YouTube or check the letters of happiness posted daily in our website, where people share their joy of having received help. Is it a pyramid? The uniqueness of MMM is that it has no person on top of the community who gets all the money. There is also no single account where all money is stored. MMM uses exactly the same operational principle that all banks, pension fund and insurance company do, since incoming fund flow is provided only by the participants. The difference between MMM and the above stated financial institution is that MMM is absolutely open and honest, and it gives the possibility to simple people to have the same benefit that bankers have. MMM rules for safe participants. Rule 1: do not have multiple accounts. You can always provide help as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty: all accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rule 2: do not share email or bank details with other members. The penalty: you will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3: do not delay in paying for others. Penalty: you will be blocked finally. If you want to know more about MMM, you can message me on my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Oluranti Adeyinka. MMM, together we change the world. Thank you.